Hello there. How are you all today? Have you ever wondered why Stripe, Netter, and other fintech apps are getting much attention nowadays? Digitalization is having an effect on people's life, altering how businesses operate and has impacted practically every industry. And one of them is finance technology or fintech. Well, before we proceed with fintech in detail, you must know Fintech refers to when a business uses new technology to compete with traditional financial methods in delivering financial services. Since fintech apps ease the process of transactions and simplify business processes, it was valued at $11.2 billion in 2021 and is expected to reach $332.5 billion by 2028. But what helps fintech apps attain this success and provide unique banking services? The answer is emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, big data, cloud computing, and microservices. These technologies help create advanced and user-friendly fintech apps. Well, if you are new to this industry and don't know how to make fintech apps, we are here to help you. The first step you need to take is market research, where you can conduct research on your target audience, fintech challenges, and competitors to find their loopholes. You can take the help of a business analyst to probe the market for opportunities. Once you have the general idea, you are good to go. Remember, their loophole can be your USP. But before everything, you must take care of compliance issues where you have to consider fintech legislation, advanced protection measures like KYC and AML, privacy legislation such as the PIA, CCPA, LGPD, and GDPR, and the region where the app is going to be used. Moving ahead. As a business, you have to choose tools to program and design your fintech app. So, the next step would be determine and outline requirements for app development, which involves deciding app development platform. Your app platform can be native, hybrid, or both. But for fintech apps, it would be better if you could target both the Android and iOS users. Languages and frameworks. It is important to select the technology stack to build and run your fintech application. For fintech app, your database could be SQL, XQuery, or QOL. For cloud storage services, you can choose from Google, AWS, or cloud. Your backend solutions could be Laravel, PHP, Node.js, etc. For front-end solutions, you can use HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, etc. However, for finance app development, some of the most used development environments are Java, Swift, Ruby, C#, Python, C++, and Kotlin. UX UI for the application. The motto here must be to create a better digital experience for financial services. Other than simplicity, ease of use, transparency, and clean design, do not forget to include these: instant payment option, quick spending insights like paid, unpaid, and scheduled bills, cost forecasting, credit score, instant authorization with encryption, quick insight to the key data, and much more user-friendly features. The development team, who could be freelance developer, your in-house development team, or an app development firm. Here, you must keep in mind that time, resources, and complexity of the project will play a major role in determining the optimal team size. For instance, you'll need Flutter or React Native developers to create a finance app that works both on iOS and Android. Though it will take longer time to build, but you will end up with apps for two platforms instead of just one. We recommend you choosing an application development firm for budget-friendly and better results. After development, there comes a testing phase to check bugs in the application. However, if you can conduct testing during the development phase using Agile framework, it can result in wonders. So, after all these steps, your fintech app is ready to be launched. Here's some advice. To stand out from the crowd, you can include some features like Virtual Assistant to help your app users manage their finances remotely, Personal Finance or History to let your app users track spending and plan long-term financial goals, Secure Hosting with multiple failover redundancy, access to banking data and real-time transfers, advanced and easy money transfer services to allow your users to transfer money worldwide, security features such as two-factor authentication and biometric identification like fingerprint and facial recognition. Your USP and customer-centric application feature is your key to grabbing the attention of your target market and maintaining the user base. For more informative videos on applications and trending technology, subscribe to Usher.